Okay, so we're back with our Lego model, and we're going to be doing a bit of more complex modeling. We've been making squares and rectangles and stuff like that, turning them into cubes. But now we need to do something with a sloped surface. So I'm going to open up a wee example here. This is the kind of thing that we're looking to build today. All right, this is our slope. This is used for the head of our giraffe, maybe, or the head of our duck, something like that. All right, I'm going to show you how to make one of these. So we'll start the same as we always do. We're going to hit new, standard millimeters. We're going to create that. And then we're going to start our 2D sketch. First difference, okay, rather than on the bottom plane here, we're going to pick one of the side planes. Whichever one you want to pick, doesn't matter. So we'll pick that one. And then we're going to draw a rectangle. And we'll start in the corner here, and we'll draw it any size we like. We'll use the dimension tool to make this the right dimensions. So the dimensions I want for this are 20 millimeters long by 10 millimeters tall. I'll make sure that my edge is in the center. That allows me to center it. Just like that. Now, once we've got that, we need to start getting rid of some of the corners. Right, I want to make this into a slope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my line tool up in the corner here, hover it over the center of my top line. Right, I can tell because that's in line with my crosshairs. I'm going to click there and I'm going to bring it down close to, but not on the corner in the bottom right hand side. So we'll click that one there. Right click OK. So I know that from my edge to my center it's going to be 10 millimeters, so I don't need to change that. But if I click my dimension tool, what I can do is I can click right on the corner, and I can click on the little button there, and that will give me a dimension. It's 1.97 something at the moment. I want it to be 3. So if we change that to 3, we can go from there. Now we need to start getting rid of some lines. Right, we need to get rid of these two lines here. So what I can do is if I right click and press OK, that gets rid of my dimension tool. I can click this line here, it's highlighted green, and just press the delete button on my keyboard. Okay. That's got rid of the top line. But it's also got rid of this bit here. I'm going to use my line tool. I'm just going to join them back up. What I can then do is I can then use the trim tool. The trim tool's up here. And it works like a pair of scissors. What I can do is I can click my trim tool. If I click this line, you can see that it's just dotted there. And what I can do is I can get rid of that. But what you might see is that, you see how it looks a wee bit different. Go back. We'll trim it. We'll go back. And that's because this dimension here has got nowhere to go. We need to get rid of the dimension first. Click on the dimension, delete that, and then if we trim, this line goes away there. Right? So remember to remove the dimension when you're trimming any of the surfaces. So now that we've got our shape, the dimensions are all correct, we can finish that sketch. We can use our extrude tool to extrude it out. I want to make mine 20 millimeters wide. The rest of it is exactly the same as we did before. I'll run you through it. So we need to put our cylinders on the top. So we'll start a 2D sketch, click our top surface, and draw our circle. Our circles are 7 millimeters, remember? Use our dimension tool, and we'll go side to center, 5 millimeters. Side to center, 5 millimeters, and then I can turn on my construction lines and draw my line across. I can use a rectangular pattern to select my geometry and my direction. Now I know you can draw more than one circle. Right, and we've only got 2 circles here, but I want you to practice practice using the pattern tool. Right? The pattern tool is a really important tool, but it's also quite tricky to use. So if we can get all the practice in that we can, then that's got to be for the best. So I've got my 2 circles there, finish my sketch. I'll use my extrude tool. I want to extrude these, definitely not 20 millimeters, 3 millimeters. Go around with my chamfer tool, and I'm clicking all of my edges, making sure that my chamfer distance is 0.25. Edge, 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 edge. Remembering I'm not doing my bottom edges. Don't have to do that one there. The bottoms and the tops, both of my cylinders. Final step. I'm going to use my shell tool. Shell the underside 1.5 millimeters. Once I've done that, a pretty good looking Lego brick.